Hi there, my name is Doug Richardson. I'm the president of the Richardson Group here in Bend, Oregon. What I'd like to talk to you about is the keyword phrase Ashland, Oregon real estate. Now, if you've clicked on this video, that's probably the word phrase that you typed in. So what I'd like to say is that at the Richardson Group, we're social media consultants, and we help customers to drive targeted traffic to their websites and to their brick and mortar businesses through using internet strategies and social media. If you're interested in learning more and finding out how you could have your video or information featured on the internet in very high ranking in the search engines, please contact us at our website at www.yoursocialmediaservice.com. That's yoursocialmediaservice.com. And by doing that, you'll get a free report that will give you much more information about this. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye-bye.